Hello seed savers! I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to harvest dill seeds. Dill is an herb, and when left to its own devices, it will readily flower and go to seed. Because of this, it might be best to succession plant dill in your garden. When dill flowers, it forms a grouping of yellow flowers in a structure called an umbel, and pollinators love dill flowers. Once the dill is done flowering, you'll start to see these little green things that will become the seeds where the flowers were. If you're worried about losing seeds, you can easily place a tool bag over it so they won't blow away. You want to wait until the flower stalk is brown and dry. When you're ready, simply cut the flower stem a few inches below where the flower was. It's best to let your stalks dry out a bit more in a cool, dry place. Once you're ready, the seeds will easily detach with a light touch. And it's okay if some of the stem bits come off with your seeds. Make sure to store your seeds in a cool, dry place until you're ready to plant them. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!